Sleek, stylish, and built for the modern minimalist, the PUNCUBE Minimal Wallet 3.0 Pro is more than just a wallet. It's a statement piece. This ultra-compact wallet combines top-tier materials with cutting-edge design to streamline your everyday carry. With room for up to 12 cards and a dedicated cash strap, it offers the perfect balance of form and function. Its RFID blocking technology ensures your data stays safe, while the aerospace-grade aluminum frame provides durability without adding bulk. What truly sets the 3.0 Pro apart is its innovative quick access mechanism. A simple flick gives you immediate access to your most used cards, making it a lifesaver in busy moments. Whether you're at a coffee shop, airport, or networking event, this wallet delivers a seamless experience. Plus, its minimalist aesthetic ensures you'll look sharp wherever you go, proving that less really can be more. Never let your devices die on you again with the TAU 2, a compact 3-in-1 power bank cleverly disguised as a keyring. This tiny lifesaver packs 1,400 mAh of juice to give your smartphone an emergency boost. It features built-in Lightning, USB-C, and micro USB connectors, so it works with almost any device without extra cables. Compact enough to live on your keychain, the TAU 2 ensures you're always prepared for life's battery-draining surprises. The design is a masterclass in portability and efficiency, with a magnetic dock for quick recharging and a durable build to handle daily wear and tear. Whether you're caught in a late-night Uber with a dying phone or need a quick top-up during an outdoor adventure, this gadget proves that great things really do come in small packages. It's the perfect fusion of practicality and innovation for anyone on the go. Visibility matters. The OLIGHT Gober clip-on light has your back, literally. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts and urban commuters alike, this compact, lightweight light is the ultimate safety accessory. Offering 4 customizable light modes, including red, green, and flashing options, it ensures you're seen in any condition. Attach it to your backpack, pet's collar, or bike, and navigate with confidence even in low-light situations. The Gober is IPX4 rated for water resistance, so it can handle unexpected weather like a champ. With a runtime of up to 28 hours and USB-C charging, it's as reliable as it is practical. Whether you're jogging through the park at dusk or hiking a rugged trail after sunset, this versatile clip-on light ensures you're always illuminated and secure, blending functionality with a sleek and compact design. Say goodbye to outdated compasses and hello to the future with the Buguy. Designed for adventurers and trailblazers, this innovative compass combines precision engineering with a bold, modern design. Featuring a 360-degree swivel lens and a luminous bezel, it ensures pinpoint accuracy and ease of use in any environment. The compact size and lightweight build make it a perfect addition to your EDC or camping kit. What makes the Buguy truly stand out is its unique aesthetic, blending functionality with flair. It's rugged enough for the wilderness, but stylish enough for urban explorers who value utility and elegance. Whether you're charting a path through dense forests or simply appreciating its craftsmanship, the Buguy is more than a compass. It's a trusted companion for those who dare to explore the unknown. The GP Carabiner multi-tool is a pocket-sized powerhouse that brings versatility to a whole new level. More than just a carabiner, this gadget packs a suite of tools, including a knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, and even a wrench into its sleek frame. Built from stainless steel and designed with durability in mind, it's perfect for tackling everyday challenges or unexpected fixes on the fly. What sets the GP Carabiner apart is its seamless integration of tools without compromising on its primary function. Clip it onto your backpack, belt loop, or keychain, and you'll have a reliable multi-tool within reach at all times. Whether you're opening a stubborn bottle cap at a barbecue or tightening a loose screw on a camping trip, this multi-tool ensures you're always prepared. Stylish, practical, and endlessly handy, it's the Swiss Army knife of carabiners. Durable and endlessly practical, the Geeky Final Shorter redefines what a single multi-tool can do. This credit card-sized gadget is a powerhouse of functionality, incorporating over 16 tools, including a screwdriver, bottle opener, wrench, and even a serrated edge. Crafted from stainless steel, it's designed to handle tough tasks without weighing you down. The beauty of the Final Shorter lies in its accessibility. Slip it into your pocket, wallet, or keychain, and you've got a reliable toolkit ready for whatever the day throws at you. Whether you're tightening screws, prying open a stubborn package, or popping the top off a cold drink, this compact marvel ensures you're always ready to improvise. Perfect for EDC enthusiasts who value efficiency and style. This tiny yet mighty gadget features 6 different connections, including USB-C, Lightning, micro USB, and traditional USB, making it compatible with nearly every device imaginable. Its magnetic snap design keeps it compact and tangle-free, so it's always ready when you need it. Perfect for EDC, travel, or daily use, the INCHARGE 6 eliminates the hassle of carrying multiple cables. Whether you're topping up your phone, charging a tablet, or transferring data, this clever cable keeps you connected. Durable, portable, and endlessly versatile, it's a must-have tool for anyone looking to simplify their tech setup without sacrificing functionality. The Knex Tool's Cobra XS pliers are a precision-engineered masterpiece, perfect for tackling everyday fixes with ease. Despite their tiny size, these pliers pack the same punch as their full-sized counterparts, offering a strong grip and adjustable jaw width for various tasks. Made from premium steel, they're built to withstand the rigors of tough jobs while fitting neatly into your pocket or toolkit. What sets the Cobra XS apart is its unparalleled versatility. Whether you're tightening pipes, gripping bolts, or performing quick repairs, these pliers deliver professional-grade performance in a compact package. Their ergonomic design ensures comfort and control, making them a favorite among EDC enthusiasts and DIYers alike. If you want a tool that's as tough as it is portable, the Cobra XS is a game changer. For those who value compact yet powerful tools, the SEVGYUS Mini fixed blade neck knife is a cutting-edge essential. Designed for ultimate portability, this fixed blade knife features a razor-sharp edge and a lightweight, skeletonized handle for a comfortable grip. Worn discreetly as a neck knife, it's always within reach for slicing tasks on the go. The GEEKY Mini is perfect for everything from opening packages to outdoor adventures, blending practicality with style. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the included sheath offers safe and secure carrying. Whether you're an EDC enthusiast or an outdoor adventurer, this knife combines precision and portability in one sleek design, making it an indispensable part of your gear. The KEYUNITY KU2 Titanium EDC Multi-Tool is a pocket-sized dynamo that packs 7 essential tools into one sleek design. Made from durable titanium, this tool is lightweight, rust-resistant, and built to last. It includes a pry bar, screwdriver, hex wrenches, bottle opener, and more, making it an indispensable companion for your daily adventures. The KU02's compact design ensures it fits seamlessly on your keychain or in your pocket, ready for action whenever you need it. Whether you're opening boxes, tightening bolts, or cracking open a cold drink after a long day, this multi-tool delivers functionality with style. Its minimalist aesthetic and rugged performance make it a must-have for anyone looking to level up their EDC game. The T-Conceal EDC Fidget Slider's open armor spinning is where functionality meets fun in the most satisfying way. This pocket-sized marvel combines tactile fidgeting with a premium slider mechanism, creating an engaging EDC toy that also serves as a stress relief tool. Made from durable materials like titanium or stainless steel, it features an innovative open armor design, allowing smooth sliding and spinning for hours of entertainment. Perfect for keeping your hands busy or simply showing off a sleek accessory, this fidget slider is ideal for EDC enthusiasts who value precision engineering. It's compact, discreet, and incredibly satisfying to use, whether you're passing the time in meetings or unwinding after a long day. With its high-end construction and addictive motion, it's as much a conversation starter as it is a daily carry essential. Don't let its size fool you. The SOF LED small flashlight packs a serious punch in a compact package. This pocket-sized powerhouse delivers up to about 1,200 lumens of brightness, ensuring you'll never be left in the dark. Built with a durable, waterproof aluminum body, it's tough enough to handle outdoor adventures, yet lightweight enough to fit effortlessly in your EDC lineup. The SOF flashlight offers multiple lighting modes, including a strobe feature, making it versatile for both everyday tasks and emergency situations. Whether you're camping, navigating a dark trail, or just searching for something under the couch, this flashlight's powerful beam and efficient runtime make it an indispensable companion. Reliable, portable, and undeniably practical, it's a bright addition to any gear setup. For those who value precision and reliability, the TOPK torchlighters are a fiery addition to your EDC. Designed with a windproof jet flame, these lighters are perfect for outdoor use. Whether you're lighting a campfire, torching a cigar, or sealing paracord ends. The adjustable flame control ensures you can tailor it to any task, and its sturdy construction guarantees it'll stand up to the elements. The TOPK torchlighter isn't just functional, it's stylish too. With its ergonomic design and sleek metallic finish, it's as pleasing to look at as it is to use. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to handle demanding jobs, this lighter is a reliable and versatile tool for any outdoor enthusiast or EDC collector. The EVERLOCK Bandit Pack is a rugged, no-nonsense EDC backpack designed for adventurers who demand durability and practicality. With a 15-liter capacity, it's perfect for carrying your essentials without adding unnecessary bulk. Made from military-grade materials, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions, whether you're trekking through the wilderness or navigating the urban jungle. What sets the Bandit apart is its smart design. It features multiple compartments, a hydration bladder sleeve, and MOLLE webbing for customizing your carry setup. Comfortable shoulder straps and a sleek profile make it ideal for all-day use, while its robust construction ensures it can handle anything you throw at it. If you're looking for a tough yet versatile backpack that seamlessly blends style and utility, the Bandit Pack is your go-to gear. The EXTWACH 2-pack portable LED mini flashlight is all about power in pairs. These ultra-compact flashlights deliver impressive brightness in a lightweight, pocket-friendly design. With a maximum output of 300 lumens, they're perfect for everyday tasks like finding keys, inspecting tight spaces, or navigating in low-light conditions. Plus, the set includes 2 flashlights, so you'll always have a backup or a spare for a friend. Built from durable aluminum alloy, the EXTWACH mini flashlights are shockproof and water-resistant, making them reliable companions for both indoor and outdoor use. Their simple on-off button and efficient battery life make them easy to use and dependable when you need them most. Whether for emergencies, camping, or just your everyday carry, this dynamic duo ensures you're never caught without a reliable light source. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more amazing gear reviews. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments which gear was your favorite. I can't wait to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.